Hi, it's Jill Nurse, the Coldwell Banker, and this is your monthly market update for June. Well, our spring market has been fairly busy. We have seen an increase in the number of new listings, pending listings, but as we getting into May, we're starting to see it slow down already. So the number of new listings from April to May was down 10%. The number of pending listings was down 2%, and that's kind of been a trend for the last few years. The number of sales has been fairly flat, up maybe just a little bit. Same thing, it's kind of a trend we've seen for the last few years. But prices have continued to rise. So from April to May, the average sales price was up 2.4%. Or actually that was the median sales price was up 2.4%, and from last May to this May it's up 2.4% as well. So we watch sales prices go up and down throughout the year. Some months it's higher than the previous month, and sometimes it's lower, and on a month to month from last year sometimes it's a little bit lower than it was last year. But in the end, we are still, the overall sales price is going up from year to year. So it's just interesting. We used to follow a straight trend where sales prices kept going up and then they leveled off in the fourth quarter. And now, just with the volatility going on, the economy, unknown what's going on with the economy, interest rates are higher. It's just kind of changing the dynamics of all of it. So key points: know your local market. This is an overall view of our Denver metro area, the 4 counties that I always track. But if you look at certain neighborhoods, some neighborhoods are much more desirable. We're seeing homes sell a lot quicker. If you have new builds near you, that can definitely impact resale. Builders are giving all kinds of incentives. They can get lower interest rates. So if there's new builds near you, sometimes homeowners are going after the new builds because they can get in a lot cheaper. Condos and townhouses definitely took a hit. They are insurance on condos and townhouses is just more expensive because they have to take care of a lot more, and so we've definitely seen condos and townhouses prices drop with those. So the bottom line is, again, make sure you know your local markets. If you are selling, the ones that are selling very quickly, I see over and over again, they have upgrades, they've been staged. It is so important to stage your house right now. I had a cute little bungalow, an older 1953 bungalow that I just sold, and it had, cute farmhouse style, but we staged it, made it look amazing. It looked amazing in photos and the brochures, and we sold that very quickly. I got 3 offers on it. I had a Parker listing, same thing, like average. It didn't have incredible upgrades or anything, but it showed well, and we staged it and made it look so cute. Same thing, got multiple offers very quickly. The homes that I'm seeing sitting are the ones that aren't updated, that aren't staged, that are overpriced. So it is so important to do that, to make sure that you invest the time in this huge investment that you have, right? So you have, a house, let's say 600, 700, 8,000, $1 million. And I see them not even stayed, like over $1 million homes, and they didn't even take the time to do any updates or stage it, and it just looks kind of bland. It falls flat. So it is so important in this market, as things get more expensive, that you invest a little bit in staging. I stage all my listings as part of my service. So if you're thinking selling, reach out and I can kind of take you through what I can do to help you get your house sold quicker. Whether you're buying or selling, you know where to find me. Enjoy June, enjoy the summer, and I will see you next month.